मेरे पास 6 बजे आईसीएम की टीम से मेल आया कि वो मेरे पे लाइफ टाइम बैन लगा रहे हैं क्योंकि उन्हें मेरे यूरिन में फिरोसिमाइड मिली।
What if Ishan Thakur popped in a bunch of ANADROL pills instead of swallowing furosemide tablets? Would this have helped him clear the drug test, and would this have saved his natural bodybuilding status?
तो दोस्तों आज
To figure this crap out, we need to deep dive into a lot of goddamn stuff. But before that, please glaze this goddamn clip because it's my freaking baby.
ये जो हमारे आजकल के गुरुजी हैं ये 21-21 साल के बच्चों को स्टीरॉइड लिख के दे देते हैं।
ANADROL or oxymethylone is an oral androgen and anabolic steroid medication primarily used to treat anemia by stimulating red blood cell production. It belongs to the class of 17-alpha alkylated anabolic androgenic steroids, which are synthetic derivatives of testosterone with strong anabolic effects and weaker androgenic properties. ANADROL also falls under androsten derivatives and is also classified as Schedule 3 controlled substance due to its goddamn abuse potential. It's available solely as an oral tablet, typically in 50 milligrams strength, with brand names like ANADROL 50, Anapollon and others. No injectable or other forms exist. It acts as an agonist of the androgen receptor and it promotes erythropoiesis. It also enhances protein synthesis, leading to weight gain and muscle growth through androgenic effects without significant aromatization to estrogen despite having some estrogenic activity. Fake natties like train with RC Prem Joshi deep throat pounds of ANADROL pills on a regular frickin' basis. But in medicine, ANADROL treats anemias from deficient red blood cell production such as aplastic anemia, myelofibrosis, and hyperplastic anemia. ANADROL's hepatotoxicity is prominent, causing elevated liver enzymes, cholestatic jaundice, pilosis hepatis, and liver tumors, as reviewed in a 2001 paper. Other specific side effects include hypolipidemia, edema, polycythemia, testicular atrophy, and renal injury. Fake natties like Mihir Lips use pounds of ANADROL off-label for increased muscle gains, improved recovery, and rapid strength increases. The harsh reality is that there are a ton of fake natties, and this number is way more than the actual noble natties who have been practicing drug-free bodybuilding since they exist. To conclude, Andi Mandi Shandi, JEET SHARMA Meri Sasti Randi. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबाकर लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए। 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजा